You may have heard about a friend or neighbor having their air ducts cleaned or thought about having it done in your own home. You may have asked, why would I need my air ducts cleaned? The Environmental Protection Agency ranks indoor air quality as one of the top 5 environmental risks to public health, and 87% of American homeowners are not aware that pollution may be worse inside their home than outdoors. These are just a few reasons why air duct cleaning should be a routine part of your home's cleaning and maintenance. Considering most people spend 60 to 90% of their time indoors and children breathe 50% more air per pound than adults, indoor air quality is a major factor in your family's health and safety. With modern homes being more airtight than ever, with little outside ventilation, your ductwork could be a trap for dust mites, pollen, mold, and pet dander. According to studies done by the EPA, indoor air quality is 2 to 5 times worse in the home than outdoors. Having the air ducts in your home cleaned is a simple process with the Rotobrush air duct cleaning equipment. Once you have the ductwork inspected to ensure you need this service, your registers will be removed and cleaned. Next, the supply and trunk lines will be safely cleaned using the vacuum removal method or negative air method. The Rotobrush equipment has HEPA filters that remove 99.97% of particles that have a size of 3 millionths of a meter or larger. After a full system cleaning, the ductwork is disinfected using an antimicrobial treatment that is fogged into your system. Depending on you and your family's sensitivity to dust, pollen, dirt, and pet dander, and the type of air filter you have installed on your system, cleaning intervals will vary. This is why we recommend regular inspection of your ductwork by a professional. Rotobrush International is the world's leading manufacturer of air duct cleaning equipment. We work directly with your local service provider to give them the tools and training they need to clean your home's ductwork. For more information on improving the indoor air quality in your home, please ask your service provider.